Hi everyone, this is Bag of Don, Stock Market Caddy. It's May 4th, Sunday evening at about 11 p.m. And I wanted to give everyone an opportunity to take a peek at the markets with us just for a few minutes and to see what our systems are showing us. I'm going to slide over this bar so I can see all of our indicators. This is our strategy. These are the dynamic stop levels. This gives us the weather, the slope rating, the wind direction, the fairway width, and then the individual clubs, which are highly probable setups depending upon what time frame we're playing. And we do this for all markets, just about all the markets, all the currencies. But we're going to pay particular attention to the indices because that's what most people are most interested in. So I'm going to slide this little rule over here. That brings all of my clubs into play, and I lose my time frames. They're still there, you just don't see them. So again, it's 60 minute, 240, daily, weekly, monthly for the investors. The volatility indexes here still pretty much in a short mode. The S&P here on a Sunday night is showing a little bit of red, but whenever we see flat mode, particularly on the daily, it gets our attention because we're going to make a move one way or the other. And we think this is going to resolve itself to the downside, so we're not surprised here tonight. We're seeing headwinds. And this is the monthly, and we're seeing this magenta V down, this symbol here, the slope rating reversing. This is significant. We could be seeing, a significant turn down. On the Russell has been the weakest of all the indices, right up there with the Nasdaq. The daily is still short, and now the weekly is flat. So she hasn't really been able to get out of her way, also getting hit with a pretty strong headwind. Here's the Nasdaq. She was able to get herself back into a flat position, but again, headwind. And we're seeing, whenever you see red, magenta, flat positions, it appears, to us to be a move down. The strongest had been the Dow, but even here on the Dow, the daily has gone flat. We got headwinds, and we got the hint magenta reversal downs on the slope, and then what we call the TPC on the weekly and the monthly. So wouldn't be surprised that we see the markets gapping down tomorrow, but we'll see. And I just want to bring your eye to something else here. This is the bond market. Look at the 10-year bond market all along. The weekly still in a flat mode, but look at the 30-year bond long on all time frames, including the weekly. So you wouldn't expect to see a real strong rallying stock market with the bonds doing so well. So the bond market is hunkering down, and the question is why. Even here on gold, the gold had been in a short mode on the daily. The weekly is still a long, so we've been oscillating, but she's moving back into a long and is catching a tailwind tonight. So, folks, I wish everyone good night's sleep. Good luck tomorrow. I wouldn't jump at the market one way or the other, but I wouldn't be the least bit surprised that we're going to see the market, gapping down tomorrow, and I wouldn't be the least bit surprised that we have a pretty good down week based on what we're seeing now. But we shall see. Good luck, be careful, and find a mentor someplace, someone who follows a dispassionate, objective system, which is what we do. This is our own proprietary systems put together from tens of thousands of trading hours of our own monies, and we do this day in and day out. We just follow the money flow. Good luck to everybody.